Does your child sleep with their mouth open? If yes, then this reel is for you. This condition is called as mouth breathing and it is generally ignored thinking that it's not serious, but no, it can occur due to various reasons like tonsils and adenoids or a blocked nose or due to some allergies as well. So how does this mouth breathing actually affect your child? It can affect your child's facial and jaw growth, alignment of teeth. It can also lead to speech problems, gum problems, cavities, and finally snoring and low energy throughout the day. If you think your child has mouth breathing habit, it is better to get treated now rather than getting complex treatments later in life. Do visit us at Dhriti Dental.